Hey neighbors, welcome to the first episode of Dirt to Dish. I'm Ryan. Some of you might know me, some of you might not. That's because I'm usually behind the camera. I'm the marketing director here at Ocean View Landscapes. I practically know nothing about growing a vegetable garden. Now I know what you're probably thinking, and I'd be thinking the same if I was in your position. Why don't they have one of the pros doing it? Well, that wouldn't be nearly as fun. My goal is to produce enough vegetables and herbs in this garden to feed the OV family. If I fail, I'm gonna work 1 week with the crews out on the jobs because apparently I don't know enough about landscaping. And if you're doubting if I have any actual landscaping experience, look at these hands. Baby smooth, these hold cameras, not shovels. So around me, I have our planters from Wayfair. Got a couple tools I use from the guys. And we got our deer fence because we have pesky neighbors right on the other side of us that are looking for my goodies. All right, so phase one's complete. We've got the planters built. Honestly, they're looking pretty good and they smell even better. That wood is, ooh, perfect. It's making me excited. Next step would be to smooth these things out, make sure they're level. If everything looks good, we'll just hop right onto the deer fence and then that'll be it for today. If this is any indication how this is gonna go, we're winning prizes with these vegetables. So after further inspection of the deer fence and maybe some criticism from the coworkers, I'm double skeptical. It's kind of thin. I don't know if you can see that. I get you there, right? More or less child's play, but give it a shot. All right, looks like a wrap on day one. What a ride. What a ride. We stopped short today because didn't have the foresight to get zip ties. So I'll probably just use a little string, hold it over tonight. Tomorrow morning, full regatta, come out with some zip ties. Gonna finish this up, gonna make a nice entry door. Then it's over the yard, talk to Sean, get us set up with some soil. We're gonna load that in and then plants, and I'm sure I'm missing a bunch of other steps, but we're gonna figure it out along the way. Hey neighbors, welcome back to day 2, episode 1 of Dirt to Dish. I'm Ryan, the marketing guy, and today we are gonna finish up the initial build. Behind me, we have a few zip ties to put on to finish that deer fence. I decided that we're gonna stick with what we got originally. If we learn our lesson, so be it. We also have this chicken wire to stop any rodents from attacking from below. Sean gave us this cute little kit. Gonna be able to mark our plants and our veggies so we don't forget. And then Zeke dropped off fresh soil this morning, so we're gonna throw all this in here real quick. We'll give you a quick time lapse and then we're gonna get out of here because it is Friday. We're here on day 3, finally, after a nice long weekend. Got some cloud coverage, is gonna make it perfect for the finishing day. We finally got our plants. We made a nice field trip to Fowler's, picked out just a few of the basics. We went nice and light this time, especially in the lettuce herb section, because as I get more confident, I'm gonna figure out how to do this stuff. So to start off, we've got our little baby cilantro. We're gonna grow those into nice strong plants. We've got a few dill here. I love dill. Actually, throwing dill in Mexican is like my little secret I picked up from a local restaurant. It goes really well with that spice. We've got the almighty chives, and then picked up this wild card. I think this might be good for some drinks. It's a sage pineapple, or pineapple sage. Lettuce section, we went really light this time. Just gonna start out with some basic arugula. I love arugula. It's perfect on sandwiches. Nice and bitter, a little bit of snap. And then we've got the man over. Tomatoes are falling. Everything's falling. It's getting a little windy. We've got our eggplant, which I'm really excited about. We've got some bell peppers, green bell peppers. We've got some jalapenos, and then we've got some sweet peppers as well. And then of course the piece de resistance, just gonna go right there. We got our tomato plants. I mean, you name it, you can turn tomato into anything. That's pretty much it. We're gonna get to work. About wraps it up for day 3, episode 1 of Dirt to Dish. Huge learning curve, but ultimately I'm so happy and so satisfied with the last couple days. It feels good to get these paws in the dirt again, reconnect with the earth, and really looking forward to these tomatoes and these peppers. I think it's gonna be pretty easy over here in the herb section, and then the challenge mentally is gonna be figuring out this lechuga aisle. And then last but not least, keeping those critters and deer out, because I saw them peeping this morning, wondering what's going in here. So gonna hit these with 1 round of water, welcome them to their new homes. We'll see what happens from there. Thanks, stay tuned for next time.